Before we begin, I want you to hear this clearly. If you understand English, but you still cannot speak comfortably, this video is for you. Because the problem is not your vocabulary, it is not your grammar, and it is not your intelligence. The real problem is that no one ever taught your brain how to speak English automatically. In the next minutes, you are not going to study English. You are going to reprogram your brain. So don't multitask, don't rush, just listen and let your brain do the work. Hello, everyone, and welcome. This is not just another English lesson. This is not about memorizing grammar rules. This is not about learning thousands of new words. Today, we're going to do something much deeper. We are going to train your brain. Because real English speaking does not begin in your mouth. Real fluency does not begin with your tongue. It begins in your mind. If you can change the way your brain works with English, your speaking will change automatically. So relax, take a deep breath, and let this be a slow, calm, powerful journey into English. Let me start with something very honest. Many English learners understand English very well. They can watch videos. They can listen to podcasts. They can read articles. But when it is time to speak, something stops them. They pause. They hesitate. They feel pressure. They feel fear. They feel their mind becoming empty. If this is your experience, you are not weak. You are not bad at languages. You are not slow. Your brain was simply trained in the wrong way. Schools train you to analyze English, but they do not train you to live in English. Today, we fix that. Let me tell you one powerful truth. Your brain learns languages through use, not through knowledge. A baby does not learn grammar first. A baby hears, feels, repeats, and connects language to life. We will use the same principle, but in an adult, intelligent, controlled way. Let me ask you a simple question. When you are alone, do you talk to yourself? Not out loud, inside your mind. Maybe you say, "I'm tired. I need to hurry. What should I eat today?" This is called inner speech. Inner speech is the language of your thoughts. And here is the key. If your inner speech is not English, your speaking will never be natural. Because every sentence must first pass through translation. Translation is slow. Translation creates fear. Translation kills fluency. So, our first goal is simple. Turn your inner voice into English. Not perfectly, not all the time, but more and more every day.
Let's practice something very easy. Look around you. What do you see? Now, inside your head, say one sentence in English. I'm sitting in a room. I'm listening to a voice. It's quiet right now. Do not rush. Do not judge. Just think. This is not an exercise. This is brain training. Every simple English thought builds a new connection. At first, your brain will resist. It will feel tired. It will want to go back to your native language. That is normal. Do not fight your brain. Invite it. Gently return to English. Use English for small thoughts. When you wake up, it's morning. When you drink water, I'm thirsty. When you feel tired, I need rest. These sentences are small, but they are powerful because they connect English directly to life. Now we go deeper. Narration means telling a story, but here the story is your life. You narrate what you are doing, what you are seeing, what you are feeling, all in English. Imagine you are walking outside. Inside your mind, you say, I'm walking down the street. The weather is cool. People are passing by. This is narration. You are turning life into English. When you cook, I'm cutting vegetables. The food smells good. When you work, I'm answering emails. I need to focus. When you rest, I'm relaxing now. This feels good. Your life becomes your classroom. No books, no tests, no pressure, just meaning. And the brain loves meaning. One of the biggest problems in speaking English is speed. Learners try to think too fast. Fluency does not come from speed. It comes from clarity. Slow thinking creates fast speaking. So slow down your thoughts. Think one sentence. Feel it. Then add another. This builds confidence. Now we train your future. Mental rehearsal means practicing conversations before they happen. Your brain cannot clearly separate imagination from reality. So imagined practice is real practice. Imagine this situation. You meet someone new. They ask, "What do you do?" Now imagine yourself answering calmly.
I work in an office. I'm a student. I run my own business. See it, hear it, feel it. Repeat it many times. Do this before sleep. Do this while walking. Do this on the bus. You are programming your brain. Most learners only learn logical English, but real speaking needs emotional English. Learn to think emotions in English. I feel nervous. I'm excited. I'm proud of myself. This creates natural expression. You do not need perfect English. You need alive English. Mistakes mean progress. Silence means nothing. Speak badly. Think badly. But think and speak. Do not study English. Live English. 5 minutes of inner speech. 5 minutes of narration. 5 minutes of rehearsal. Every day. Consistency beats intensity. Now take a deep breath. You are not behind. You are not late. Your brain is learning. And from today, English is not a subject. It is a part of your life. Thank you for spending this time with me. But we are not finished yet. Now we go deeper, much deeper, because fluency is not built in minutes. It is built through layers. And now we will add more layers to your English brain. Now I want you to slow everything down. Imagine your mind like a quiet room. In that room, there is only one voice, your English voice. Do not rush this voice. Let it be calm. Let it be simple. Inside your mind, say, I am here. Pause. I am listening. Pause. I am learning English. Pause. These pauses are important. They teach your brain patience. Fast brains panic. Calm brains speak. Think about your body. I am breathing slowly. My shoulders are relaxed. I feel safe. Safety is very important. The brain only speaks freely when it feels safe. Now we narrate more deeply. Imagine your entire day, from morning to night, in English. I wake up. I look at my phone. I get out of bed. I walk to the kitchen. I drink water. Go slowly. Your brain is creating a movie. I feel sleepy. I feel calm. I feel motivated.
Now imagine a real conversation. Not short, long. You meet someone, you greet them. Hi, how are you? They answer. You respond. I'm doing well. I'm learning English these days. Imagine the full flow. Mistakes included. Your brain must learn that mistakes are normal. Now imagine something bigger. You speak English confidently. Maybe at work, maybe online, maybe while traveling. See yourself speaking, not perfectly, but clearly. This image is powerful. Your brain moves toward images. Here is your daily English life plan. Morning, 5 minutes inner speech. Afternoon, 5 minutes narration. Evening, 5 minutes mental rehearsal. That is all. 15 minutes every day. This is how fluency is built. English is not outside of you. It is not in books. It is not in teachers. It is in your brain. And your brain is ready. You are not late. You are exactly where you need to be. Keep going. Keep thinking. Keep living in English. This journey has already started, and it will change the way you speak forever.